Hey, we're back, guys.
This is yours.
No, that is yours.
No.
Move. You're not. This is not your cup.
Wait, how does it taste? So they were trying brown rice milk. I didn't taste it.
Come on, try it.
So I eat brown rice all the time until I came to Japan.
Why don't you drink it from the cup?
No, I don't know what you're
You're
about.
so weird.
It's kind of refreshing.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Kind of sweet. Tastes like brown rice. Tastes like a brown rice milk-ish. I like it. Okay, so now we're gonna try.
Not this.
What do you guys want to try next? Oh, let's try this. Now we're gonna try these. I thought they were cheese doodles with almonds, but then I read that it said caramel corn, so I guess it's just caramel corn. Oh well, we'll see how it tastes.
Should I just open everything?
No,
What's wrong with
no.
you?
Okay. I feel like this video is going mad long.
It's gonna be like a 30-minute video.
It's like, oh, let me wait till you eat it.
It.
You eat it too. Just bite it. Tastes like a caramel cheese doodle without the cheese.
Isn't Jake's cheesy?
Oh, no cheese in it. It's basically that texture.
Oh no. It's sweet. Why is it sweet?
What do you mean it's supposed to be sweet? It's caramel.
Sweet.
Oh my god, oh that scared me. It's good. I like it.
I don't.
Oh, try it. Come on. Try the shrimp one.
Yeah.
Oh, I tried those.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
What did I say?
Am I the only one?
I think you So next we're gonna try. I mean, I have these. They're basic. They're like just. They're regular. If you want to try it.
What is
Try
it?
It's just like this cookie with like cream in it.
I want one.
All right, I'll give you a piece.
They're not good.
The caramel corns? No.
Really, you don't like it?
No. It tastes weird.
Yeah.
It tastes good.
Then
No.
why is it sweet?
Yeah, it's not supposed to be sweet. I've never had this.
Anyways, oh, and let's try the donut.
Sweet. It's just
This is a Japanese honey
Like
donut, and it came in a pack with 10, but I ate them all.
You ate them all?
Yeah.
What?
The first one was bad, but after I got used to them, they were really good.
After you got used to them.
All right, so you're gonna take a piece, and you're gonna take a piece.
I don't.
Take one.
Come on, come on. Are you kidding me?
Like this is so oily. Like
You want one, a piece?
no. It's okay. Thanks.
no,
They're
it's not
delicious.
Good. It's not good. It's not.
She loves them.
They're really
You
good.
didn't eat that. I think it's not healthy at all.
You like those? Wow, something's wrong with you.
Ice cream soy milk. Wait, is it
This is
recording?
your cup. Okay. This is yours.
I don't want that one.
Yeah,
This
but
is
it's
mine.
yours. See, it's really cute.
Ice cream soy milk.
This is yours. This is mine.
No, it's not.
It's.
You better stop.
By the way, I didn't choose these people. I just happened upon them a week ago.
No.
So,
Ew.
all right. So we're gonna try ice cream. Wait, do you want to try the cookies first or this first?
I already tried the cookie.
Yeah, I had cookies too, right?
I have them too.
Yeah, we had them. All right. Oh my gosh, this one I'm nervous about.
Wait, let me rinse this out so
Yeah.
you can try it.
Oh my gosh. Ice cream soy milk. This is insane. I saw another YouTuber do this. Ice cream soy milk. Are you ready? Who wants to go first this time?
Not me.
I'll go first.
Okay, good.
So I feel like I like it. I might not.
Take the
I
whole
like
thing in
it.
one gulp.
No.
It's a little bit. Oh, I poured it in.
Oh my gosh.
It's delicious.
It's so sweet.
Your turn.
Unexpected. I thought it'd be milky.
No, stop.
Okay, take it in one sip. Take it all. Don't sniff it.
I will.
What's it smell like?
Like Coke.
Like
You just-
Coke?
Of course she would know.
We took a lot of stuff.
Whoa, you
did
There's so much
There's
free stuff downstairs.
You're lying. Hold up.
They got more since I.
Yeah.
Do you want to be in the shot? Mm. She gets the whole 3 seconds to herself. All right.
Why are you looking at me?
So, I
You're
can.
such a jealous person. What's wrong with you? I don't want to do this
Action.
anymore.
Action.
Have these.
I
Well.
don't want that. Give me back my cup.
Well, let me try this on you. Let me
Crazy.
try this on you.
Tonight.
Okay.
What if I break out?
You won't.
Yo, you
It's a
yo,
good brand. It's like
yo.
Cocoon. This is
Listen.
super-
Listen to me. You
What?
agreed to be. What do you?
Yeah, whatever.
She's the sidekick in this video, okay?
No, I'm not.
Well, okay, then why aren't you acting like you even noticed the camera's on?
I'm the one person that's doing this video. Like, she's just the sidekick.
Anyways, my channel. So, we're gonna try. Oh, wait, I didn't try the ice cream milk yet. You tried it? You said?
Yeah, I did.
Did you like it?
Ice cream soy milk.
Not really.
Is it? Did it get closer?
I think you
Are we both in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it refreshing?
Mmm. It tastes like ice cream.
No, it doesn't. You're lying.
It does. It tastes like
lying.
ice cream, and
She's such a liar. It doesn't taste like ice cream at all.
I know what ice cream tastes like. I've had ice cream every single day except once this whole
No,
week.
it doesn't taste like
It
ice
tastes
cream.
like ice cream. And it tastes like ice cream and soy milk. It tastes so good. But it's mad sweet.
Yeah.
Mm.
I don't mind it. It's not that bad, but I don't think I'd have it. Like,
I'd buy it again. If you happen to go to Japan, you should get this. Really good.
Sadi! Yeah? Did you get stuff? Look what we have. Oh my gosh. Nice.
Alright. Is that it?
You could probably bake some.
I think that's it.
Oh.
Do you want to try the apple ice cream?
Yeah.
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 Alright, the last thing we're gonna try
Toast.
is the apple ice
But I
cream.
still don't know what plum is. That's why
You
I
should put
think
your
I-
milk back
You
in
Google
there.
it.
Oh, it's done.
finished. Oh my god.
We need to go to Sunco.
You're the worst person in the world.
What?
I'm so tired. What's wrong with me? What's this?
You don't want to go anymore? That's mine.
Okay, so I have mad snacks.
I
It's
find
not
out.
I don't feel like
It's
sharing.
not yours. This is not
Do you see the people who I have to live with?
God, like you're so
But it's not
mean.
yours. I don't know. Like she wants
Like, how did I open this again?
everything. We have to share.
No.
So this is mine and this is yours.
Sharing
No,
is
it's
caring.
not. And first of all,
Alright,
no, I
so
don't do that.
how are you gonna try this? So,
We don't know. You have to
Are you
tell.
guys still doing a video?
yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No, we're almost, no, this is the last thing we're on.
Should ask. What?
Oh, wait, did I show the flavor? It's apple. It's called Pepco.
That's ice cream?
It is mad good.
Wow.
I had
It's
that
good.
That looks like one
I
of
mean,
those
maybe
things
it's
you
good.
decorate cakes
Maybe
with.
it's not good. Maybe it's good.
one. Maybe it's good. Alright, so
Why don't you read the thing?
it is.
She doesn't
Why don't
know
you
how
give
to
me a
use
break?
it.
No, you just turn it on, that's it. And then you put it near your phone.
But where's
You want me to
the
try it
code?
first?
Where's the code?
Alright, here, you try it first. Wait,
Ow.
you just bite like the...
There's nothing out. I want more.
Bite it!
I want more.
Don't be greedy.
Yeah, it's good.
See?
This is so refreshing.
This is so refreshing.
I want some.
No, you don't.
Why are you guys being so mean to me?
Because
Like you're hurting my feelings.
you're from the
now.
south.
Whatever.
It's good? Alright, you try it now.
Take it.
Take it.
How do I do this?
You just like
Press, yeah, and then bite it. It's good.
It is good.
it's
It's not
good.
the best, but
I mean like what was the best ice cream? I think the best ice cream I
what?
had.
No, it was the
waffle.
green tea bowl.
Oh, the green tea balls, those were
Oh my
good.
God.
Those were
This
good.
is really good.
Where did you buy it again?
Top World.
Oh, I didn't find it.
Your lips touch this.
So.
Alright.
Stop.
You think it tastes like ice cream? Alright guys. Sorry for the bootleg quality video.
Maybe.
Can you help me?
Do you guys want to describe how this
No,
tastes?
do I have to help
What
you?
is it?
You had this before, right?
No.
Like this?
You never had this? You're lying. Alright, one last
Give
thing.
it to me. No, your phone.
You need this first. You need
I
this.
want-
One last thing is this.
What? I don't like the Victoria thing.
Yo! Vaseline.
Vaseline.
I don't want this.
You're gonna try it since you never had
give
it.
What is
to
it?
me.
Just eat it. Come on.
No.
No, you have to bite into it. Bite it. Describe the feeling.
Ew.
Finish it. It's mad good. You know what these are called?
That's gross.
Jello. You have to eat the whole thing.
I don't want any
You
more.
see
of
how
that.
they have me wasting stuff? That's why I didn't take everything out. Anyways, so thanks for watching Purple Water and her crew.
Girl, bye. I'm about to edit this video. How it's
Jolene and the
supposed-
girls,
You didn't open the cake.
I mean, like, after how disinterested you even act. No, we're not having cake. I'm gonna eat the cake when
I
I'm
want
alone.
some. No, I want some cake. You won't give me any.
These cakes aren't even that good. You have to eat them with like ice cream or something.
We'll put some of that squeezy thing on
Oh
it.
my gosh. All right, is it recording?
Oh, it's so stupid.
Okay.
No, it's not.
Where is network? I cannot see.
One final thing.
I can find it.
By the way, this is actually delicious. She doesn't have taste buds.
Ew, what's this?
You guys didn't have that?
It looks
We all
horrible.
had that.
No.
Do you like that? That's really good, right?
I liked it.
Exactly.
How am I supposed to eat it? Or this? Give me this thing.
You bite a little bit of it.
Ew, no.
She's so French. Alright.
What? I can't do it. What?
It's thick.
What?
You're giving one random.
It's good, right? Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Taste the
Yeah.
cake. Take a piece of it. No. Because it's like, we're in Japan, not
She's
France.
French.
No.
Can I say both?
Whatever. If you want. Wait, you say how you
have to say au revoir.
Wait, how did you
Oh,
what did the cake taste like?
Sticks together.
Because that's where the video cut off when we were eating the cake.
Oh, I didn't try the cake.
You want? Oh my gosh. Are you want to try it?
Maybe we can organize it and
Take a
then when
piece.
you want to use it, just wash it before you use it. But the thing is, like, when they dry,
I'm done with you people. It's the last video with these people.
Why?
It's because
It was so great.
it is. It's I know, right? It tastes like I don't like it. I had the green tea one too.
Like, it's for old people. It's for old people.
All right. So yo, we're gonna say goodbye now.
Move your big head from me. I need to be in the camera.
Alright, so thanks for watching
Thanks for watching.
Purple Water and Friends.
Serene. Wait, no, not my last
we'll do
name.
another video about life in Japan. We'll be here for another year. I'm
For another year.
For another
Maybe.
4 or 5 months. So,
4 or 5 months.
alright. So let's all say it together, guys.
Say what?
Sayonara.
how you
Let's
say
see you
it.
later.
See you later.
Good job with that.
All right.
What do you want to say?
I just want to say, sayonara.